boulot.
Solo imagina tú y yo solo con un trago disfrutando en la playa.
Welcome back, guys, in a vlog, studio vlog, where I'm going to show you a day with me as a small business owner of 30 years old living in Barcelona. I'm French. I have a business where I sell pre-loved luxury bags and accessories. So we do everything about shipping, we do everything about marketing, communication, live shopping, everything. Today's Thursday, so we do a bag drop day with new items every Wednesday. And today is about packing everything, so we're going to pack together. Then I have a few meetings for trying to find our next intern that is supposed to join us in January, but it's so hard to find someone very nice and good. Let's see, but let's go for a day with me. And also, if you're a small business owner or just an owner or just thinking about it, you are on the right YouTube channel. I'm gonna try to film more about the behind of the scene, how we did it. So this is the shipping station with the parts I show you but just before. So we are trying to fit everything here or in a different place. We prepare everything. So here's like Lady Dior vintage bag. We have the shipping label, the invoice. We have the authentication papers and everything. Everything goes here before being shipped and prepared. We try to make packages the best possible. I'm gonna show you. So now we're gonna prepare this Never Full from Louis Vuitton. We do have a certificate of authentication plus the entropy certification. I'm gonna show you what we use for the packaging. We also had the thank you card where we are going to write the name, and then the little sticker, the thank you stickers to add on the papier de soie. I don't know how to say it in English. But I just redone this paper, like the covering paper. I'm gonna show you on the screen. I'm quite happy. I just made the order. I'm gonna show you when I receive it. I hope it's gonna be good, but I had quite some time to organize it. So let's see. So now I'm just gonna write the name. So what we sold from yesterday, a Celine travel bag macadam vintage. This one is a 40 centimeters. So it's like a little keyhole from Louis Vuitton. So this Lady Dior vintage, we sold also this beautiful Speedy in black epi leather. I love it. It's a size 25. We also just sold the Soufflot from Louis Vuitton, also in black epi leather. Black epi leather is a very resistant leather. We also have to pack this beautiful vanity from Celine. We sold it for 480 euro approximately. And this is my favorite. This is a Celine Up Triumph vintage version. I love it. It's a dark navy blue with the dust bag. And I love the closing of the bag. Makes it very special. And love it. What's hard with this business is to resist. I love every single bag. This is like a passion business, I would say. I don't know what guys you want to see in this type of vlogs. I'm just gonna bring you with me during my day. Day to day, every day is kind of different and also the same. But I'll try to see what can be interesting to show you because not everything is interesting. I also received my PR packages because I'm sending PR to journalists in France, to magazines and everything. Hope it will work. I made a little gift. I will show you this later. And now I just had with Vincent an interview. It was good. I'm happy. She was very nice. So let's see. We have still one interview this afternoon and 2 tomorrow. I need still to finish the packaging. We are authenticating a Birkin. So come with me. This is this one. Ta-da! The bag. This is a beautiful Birkin 30 in vert mangrove, green mangrove, palladium, silver hardware. I love it, and we just sold it for almost 18,000 K. This is a real milestone for us, as this is the most expensive bag we just sold, and the most insane sale, as it was so quick. It was within an hour, and this was a bag that we didn't have in stock. This is a girl that bought it in store and in the end didn't want it, so she decided to resell it. And I had another client that wanted it. The other girl just bought another bag, so it was all of a sudden, and she could not refuse. So that's it. That's for the story. I'm quite grateful. This is such a beautiful bag. I love the color, honestly. I don't know if you like the color. If you are guys, sorry, we sell bags. We have few things for men, like Keeple travel bags, pouch and etc. But it's mostly for women. I will try not to speak about too much about women stuff because I really, really want to talk about entrepreneurship, business. So if you have any questions, let me know. And let me know if I have more girls or men on this channel. I'll be very happy to know. So this is what I was telling you. This is my paper, my new paper. You cannot see well here. Sorry, it's not amazing with the color and everything. It's better. So this is the paper I'm going to use now. I tried to change it. I've done it myself and I've just placed the order. So now I have, I think, 10, 15 days to wait. I'll show you probably in another vlog when I receive it. What do you think? Kind of love it. What do you think about it? Let me know. I kind of love it, I think. I'm very excited to see in person, in real, because it's always different.
Si antes te hubiera conocido, seguramente estarías bailando esta conmigo, no como amigos, sino como otra cosa. Usted cerca me pone peligrosa, por un besito hago cualquier cosa. La novia suya me pone celosa.
I think we just found our intern. I'm happy. She was so cool. She looked very good on paper and she looked very good on Visio. So she might start in January. She's actually international. She's doing she's doing a school in Vietnam, so it's nice. Let's cross finger. I'll see. I have still a few interviews to make, but I'm happy because it was complicated at first. I found it very complicated to find people that suits what we need and that can fit also their needs, because sometimes they just look for some to find it, but it's not their needs. It's not that what they really want to do. And it's quite hard to hire someone. Either it's like a real job, either it's an internship, either it's a school thing. It's hard. I'm not gonna lie. This is not the part of the job that I like as an entrepreneur. Let me know if you have any advice to find the right people, and what questions do you ask in interview if you are making interviews to people. I'd be very interested to know, because I'm a newbie in this and it's still strange to do it. Anyway, let's eat. We are going to eat here at the office, and then I have tons of things to do. I have to make the transfer to the client, the payments. We are still on the creation of the product page for next week, backdrop. We are still making the packaging. Just before the interview, I've made 30 minutes of live shopping on Instagram. We've sold a bag and we've sold some few items around. So very excited. We need to make the packages. The Birkin here is gonna also go. We need to prepare it. And that's it. Ella es tímida y yo no con estas ganas que tengo yo. Me atrevo a comérmelo todo. Hoy estás jangueando con ella, pero después tal vez no. ¿Qué hubiera sido? Ey, ¿cómo? Seguramente estarías bailando hasta conmigo, no como amigos. So this is what we received today. Quite a lot. So I'm very happy. These are consignments from clients. Even though if you are based everywhere, you can send us the items that you want to sell, of course. So the plan is to prepare everything, as I was saying. I'm still doing the bank transfers to the consignments. It takes a while because I'm doing them like completely manually. I'm doing them directly on the website and on my application. So this is what we received. I really love some of the items. For example, this little 26 pouch, this is a very special collection. Let me show you. This is my favorite. I love this collection at Louis Vuitton. Honestly, I love it. This is going to be available. We do also have an Intrecciato leather from Bottega. As you can see, we have a Montsouris backpack, which is great. Of course, a Kipple travel bag. We have a Félicie pouch in Empreinte. Sorry for the shaking. I really hope you're gonna enjoy. very happy of what we received. Thank you so much. We received also an Alma Bibi in Damier event, so many beautiful bags and accessories. This is what we do. This is our business. We mostly right now ship to Europe, but we ship worldwide. We just ship to the US, to Canada. Our main base clients are based in Europe, but we wish to ship more there in the US and in Canada. We would like to develop more there. So if you have any tips for us, don't hesitate. We are growing the business together. Let's create our own dreams and let's continue to work day to day. Voila, we just finished the live on TikTok and TikTok shop. We are going to close the office and going back home, change, and then we are going out. We are going to try a new restaurant place for tapas and sangria. So you're gonna come with me to try it on. It's called Casa Lolea. Very excited to go, so let's go. That's it for today. So the restaurant was really great. This is a very good recommendation. First time we try it. That's it for the video of the day. I'm gonna link here and here the videos that you need to watch. Hope you enjoyed. Don't hesitate to let me know in the comments what you liked in this video and what you want to see next. Hope you enjoyed. Bisous.